Well, Kevin, on behalf of Maserati North America, we would like to present Criswell Maserati with the Trofeo Club Award. As you know, there were 4 dealerships that were qualifying in the entire country in these rankings. So it was based on sales, after sales, sales NPS, service NPS, and stocking qualifier. So again, on behalf of Maserati North America, we appreciate everything you guys do day in, day out. I know I would not be able to get to my sales targets if it wasn't for all of your guys' hard work and dedication. We really appreciate you guys being part of the Maserati.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Good.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you guys.